Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clean with me for my daughter's playroom. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you would, please like and subscribe. Her playroom has just gotten out of hand. All of her toys are not organized, so it's hard for her to find certain things when she's wanting to play with certain things. So today we pretty much spent half of our day cleaning this room, organizing, and just getting it so that she is able to play in this room again. First, I'm just going to be starting with this closet, cleaning it out so that we can put her things in here instead of mine and my husband's. My husband has all of these Coca-Cola bottles and cans from the national championship for Clemson football. And I don't know why he needs so many of them, but hopefully we can just minimize that down to one, because I have no idea where to put all of these cans. right here, I'm just having my daughter help me put all of these things up for her grocery store. I just let her put them wherever she likes them, and we just go with that. While she is working on her grocery store toy, I am just cleaning out this toy box and wiping it down real good, getting all the stickers off, and just kind of organizing things into different categories and where they need to go. I am just going in here and mopping the floors. I ran out of Swiffer mop pads, so I actually just used a Clorox wipe on the end of this. Realized it wasn't working too well, and decided just to go in with my hands and wipe the floor off. Pretty much just spot cleaning anyways. This floor has a lot of stickers on it from her just playing and doing crafts in here. So I'm just going in and getting all the stickers up and wiping the floor down. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you would, please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Open up. U-O-P-E-N. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you O-P-N. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O-P-E-N. Take the high road and hop in. U-O-P-E-N. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you O-P-N. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O-P-E-N. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.